Have you ever felt like you were on the brink of something big, yet there was an invisible force holding you back? Or maybe you've experienced moments where you knew you had the ability to succeed, but self-doubt crept in, whispering lies that made you question yourself. You might have asked yourself, am I good enough, or can I really do this? These are common questions that many successful people ask themselves, and the answers lie within you. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's crucial to personal growth and success. We're talking about self-doubt and how to overcome it. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll learn a step-by-step guide to help you shut down that nagging voice of self-doubt once and for all. You'll be equipped with practical techniques and powerful insights that will empower you to face your fears, build unshakable confidence, and unlock your true potential. Are you ready to take control of your life and achieve your dreams? Well then, let's dive right in. What is self-doubt and why should we care about it? Let's start with understanding self-doubt. Self-doubt is the belief that you don't possess the necessary abilities or qualities to succeed. It's the internal dialogue that undermines your confidence and holds you back from pursuing your goals. But why should you care about self-doubt? Because it's a silent killer. It kills your dreams, aspirations, and potential. It prevents you from stepping out of your comfort zone and exploring your capabilities. It whispers doubts in your ear, making you question your worthiness of success. And the sad part is, many of us listen to these doubts without even realizing it. What does the science say about self-doubt? From a scientific perspective, self-doubt stems from the interplay of various cognitive and emotional processes. Neuroimaging studies have shown that self-doubt activates specific regions in the brain associated with negative emotions and self-referential processing. Researchers have also found that self-doubt is linked to heightened activity in the amygdala, which plays a role in processing fear and uncertainty. Furthermore, studies in neuroscience have shed light on the neural networks involved in self-doubt. These networks connect areas of the brain responsible for self-evaluation, emotion, and decision-making, contributing to the complex interplay between our thoughts, feelings, and beliefs. Understanding the science behind self-doubt helps us comprehend its neurobiological basis and develop effective strategies to overcome it. By unraveling the mysteries of self-doubt, we empower ourselves to challenge negative self-perceptions and cultivate a more positive and empowering inner dialogue. Step 1. Awareness of your inner voice. The first step to conquering self-doubt is becoming aware of your inner critic. This is the voice in your head that tells you you can't do it or you're not good enough. It's essential to recognize that everyone has an inner critic, but the difference lies in whether you give it power or not. When you notice this inner voice, don't fight it or ignore it. Acknowledge its presence and understand that it's just a figment of your subconscious mind. Remind yourself that these thoughts are not facts, but rather interpretations colored by your beliefs and past experiences. By simply observing your inner critic without judgment, you begin to distance yourself from the thoughts and gain control over them instead of being controlled by them. Step 2. Reframing negative thoughts. Once you become aware of your inner critic, the next step is reframing your negative thoughts. This means challenging the validity of the messages your inner critic sends and replacing them with more constructive and empowering statements. For example, instead of thinking, I'm not good enough, reframe it as, I may not be perfect, but I am capable. When faced with setbacks, instead of thinking, this is a failure, reframe it as, this is a learning opportunity. By consciously reframing your thoughts, you can break free from the limitations imposed by self-doubt. It's like putting on a different lens through which you view challenges and setbacks. Remember, your thoughts shape your reality, so when you reframe them, you reshape your experience. Step 3. Take action, despite fear. One of the most effective ways to overcome self-doubt is to take action despite fear. Self-doubt thrives on inaction and overthinking. The more you dwell on negative thoughts, the stronger they become. Fear is a natural human response, but don't let it paralyze you. Instead, channel your fear into action. When you find yourself hesitating because of fear, ask yourself, what is the worst that could happen? Often our fears are exaggerated in our minds. Then ask yourself, Is it truly that bad, or is it something I can handle? By facing your fears and taking action, you break the cycle of self-doubt and build confidence. Every time you overcome a fear, you prove to yourself that you are capable of more than you think. Remember, courage is not the absence of fear, but the willingness to act despite fear. Step 4. Build consistency, not perfection. Another key to overcoming self-doubt is to focus on consistency rather than perfection. Self-doubt often stems from the belief that you must be perfect to be successful. But the truth is that perfection is unattainable and unnecessary. Embrace the idea that it's okay to make mistakes. In fact, mistakes are stepping stones to success. They provide valuable lessons and opportunities for growth. Set realistic expectations for yourself and celebrate small wins along the way. Consistency means showing up day after day and doing your best, not striving for an unrealistic ideal. When you focus on consistency, you eliminate the pressure of perfection and allow yourself to learn and improve over time. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about being persistent and embracing the journey toward excellence. Step 5. Visualization for confidence. The final step in overcoming self-doubt is visualization. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help you see yourself as capable and confident. Take some time each day to visualize yourself succeeding at whatever it is you set out to do. Imagine the positive outcomes and the feelings associated with them. See yourself as a competent, confident person who can achieve anything they set their mind to. Visualization allows you to create a positive mental image of yourself as a confident individual. It helps you tap into your imagination and reinforces the belief that you can overcome self-doubt and achieve your goals. Remember, your mind can't differentiate between a real experience and one that you vividly imagine. So use this power to your advantage. Visualize success, visualize confidence, and watch as these images become a driving force in your life. Overcoming self-doubt is a journey, not a destination. It requires constant effort and dedication, but the rewards are immense. When you silence the voice of self-doubt, you open the doors to endless possibilities and potential. You become empowered to pursue your dreams with unwavering determination and resilience. Remember, self-doubt is a liar. It feeds on fear and uncertainty. Don't give it a platform to thrive. Instead, use the steps outlined in this video to dismantle its power over you. As you embrace the path to self-mastery, know that you are not alone. There are countless individuals who have walked this path before you and emerged victorious. Their stories are a testament to the fact that self-doubt can be conquered. Draw inspiration from their journeys and apply the lessons learned to your own. Now, it's time for action. Put what you've learned into practice and watch as your confidence grows with each step you take. Don't wait any longer to live the life you're capable of living. It's time to silence the voice of self-doubt and unleash your true potential. Thank you for joining me on this transformative journey. Remember, you have the power to shape your own destiny. Believe in yourself, stay committed, and never stop pursuing your dreams. Until next time, share this video and subscribe to ShiftSoul.